Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you a PX748-4K. This is one of our best entertainment projectors. It's a 4K projector with 120 Hertz native mode. It also has a 240 Hertz 1080p mode, making it, we believe, the fastest projector in the world for gaming purposes. So really great entertainment projector. Let's crack it open and see what you get in the box. Okay, so I've already pre-cut this a little bit just to make it easier. First thing we're going to get out of here is the included remote. You can use this to do adjustments on the projector, volume, because it does have a built-in speaker, and turn the unit off and on. It does have CEC support, so if you have, say, a Fire Stick or an Apple TV or something like that, and you want to use the included remote that came with your Apple TV or Fire Stick, you can use that to power the unit on, off, control volume, all through the CNCs. So it's actually really nice. Many people don't need to use the included remote, but you can if you want to. We have power cable, obviously, some instructions and batteries for the remote, and also a USB-C cable. So this unit does come with full USB-C connectivity built in. So if you have a USB-C, say, Nintendo Switch, you can plug it right in. You don't even need the dock. You can actually connect it directly to the projector. Okay. All right, so we have the unit itself here. Let me just get some of this packaging off. Okay, and this is the projector itself. It's actually a very compact unit. We don't call this a portable unit because there's some pretty delicate components inside of this. It does actually have a spinning color wheel in it. So we don't recommend, throwing it in a bag or anything, but moving it room to room, this is a very portable device. And so it's very easy to install. And once it's installed, it's a lot harder to notice it. But this is also an incredibly high brightness 4K projector. This will actually put out about 3,000 lumens, realistically ANSI lumens. So on the top here, we have our zoom ring and also our focus ring. So if you want to change the size of the image, you've got a zoom wheel. It'll move the lens in and out. And then for fine adjustments in focus, we have a wheel for that as well. On the back here, in terms of I/O, we have two HDMIs. They're both CP 2.2 and they're HDMI 2.0s, and also the USB-C. We also include some services that control this remotely. So if, for example, you're putting this in a large venue that is being controlled by Extron or Crestron controllers, you can use the RS-232, and that'll give commands for power on, power off, and networking remote management of this projector. So you can manage it anywhere in the world. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the PX748-4K. Please watch this space for more exciting unboxings and videos from ViewSonic.